It begins with the harvest. 10,000 tons of forgotten history, ready to be brought back to the living world. All lines green. Initiate the mass feed into the primary shredder. Clear the pit. Compact and ready. We've turned 500 cars into a mountain of raw energy.
Pre-shredding salvage is an automated ballast. We isolate the heaviest components to protect the main shredding chamber.
Heat and friction are our enemies. Our smart suppression systems keep the inferno contained 24/7.
Seamless integration. Our AI-driven cranes move 10,000 tons a day without a single human intervention.
Charging initiated. 100 tons of scrap steel, ready for the inferno. Purging impurities. Only the pure liquid iron remains.
Primary melt complete. Transporting liquid steel to the refining station.
A massive automated hopper system overhead releases precise amounts of alloying elements, like manganese and chromium, into the swirling molten pool. Next stop, the continuous caster. From liquid fire to solid form.
The transformation is halfway complete. These bars will soon become the spine of the global rail network.
The steel is reborn in fire, ready for the pressure of 1,000 tons.
Precision at high speed. We are carving the future shape of global transport.
Extreme close-up of the steel passing through the final finishing rollers. The classic rail track profile, the head, the web, and the foot is now perfectly formed.
Cut confirmed. Cutting at 300 feet per section. Move it to the cooling beds.
Scanning for internal flaws. Quality is our highest priority. The rail is perfect.
They've survived the fire and the pressure. Now, they must face the ultimate test of endurance. Maximum load test. 1,000 tons of pressure, and it doesn't even flinch.
Scanning for invisible flaws. Ultrasonic data shows 100% internal integrity.
The ultimate impact test. This is why our tracks last 100 years.
Test results verified. This batch is certified for the most demanding high-speed rail lines in the world.
Quality is our promise. Now, send them to the world.
Logistics at this scale is an art form. We're moving 3,000 tons of high-grade steel in a single departure.
Destination: the Port of Hamburg. From here, these tracks will connect cities across Europe.
Secure for Atlantic crossing. These rails don't move an inch, no matter how big the waves get.
"5,000 miles traveled. From a crushed car in a junkyard to the foundation of a new high-speed era.
Behold the P811, the world's largest track layer. It builds the future at a rate of 2 miles per day.
The spine of the system meets the Earth. Precision threading ensures a seamless journey.
Fused in fire. A continuous rail with no joints, designed for zero friction at 200 miles per hour.
Securing the foundation. Every stone must be perfectly locked to withstand the weight of a 10,000-ton freight train.
Final scan initiated. We don't just build tracks, we build perfection.
Purity from start to finish. The stage is set for the first run.
$10,000 tons of waste transformed. 500 miles of track completed. The cycle is whole.
This isn't just steel. It's 10,000 stories of the past, forged into a single line for the future.
Departure confirmed. 300 tons of machinery, moving on 100 miles of recycled soul.
We didn't just clear a junkyard, we breathed new life into the planet. This is the Green Revolution.
System performance at 100%. The recycled steel is outperforming virgin ore. A triumph of engineering.
Wide shot of the train arriving at a new city hundreds of miles away.
From the scrap of the past
To the speed of the future. The cycle is complete.
the massive machines are now silent, but their work lives on in every mile of this track.